The latest advances in lecture capture technology and the wide availability of such systems means that it is becoming increasingly easy to record lectures. A myth often encountered is that the availability of lecture recordings will have a negative impact on student attendance. Research carried out in the last few years, such as that by Groen, Quigley and Herry, shows that, and I quote, "These fears are often unfounded, and research shows that the availability of recorded lectures does not have a significant negative impact on attendance." End of quote. Most studies surrounding lecture capture found the same results. Lectures are so much more than what is presented on slides. They are about the rapport between students and lecturers, about opportunities for questions and problem solving, and bringing the subject to life. These are dimensions that don't transfer well onto a recording, as the active element may be lost. This is especially true when we consider the trends towards more active lectures and the flipped classroom. Lecture recordings are great for inclusivity and accessibility. They are great for students with any kind of learning difficulty who would find it useful to access the lecture recording at their leisure. They are useful for students with English as a second language who might not be able to follow the talk 100%. And these are good enough reasons to consider recording the lecture, or at least a summary, and making that recording available. Lecture capture is one quick, easy and effective way to support student learning, but there are other ways too, as outlined in our Code of Practice.